This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Updated bright and open ranch home on a large level private lot. Large family room with regency gas fireplace west/blower, open to updated kitchen with granite counters and tile backsplash. Newer flooring throughout. Formal dining. Split bedroom plan with a large master suite and tile seated shower. All bedrooms are large. Spacious laundry room. Relax on the covered deck with fan that overlooks large private backyard. If you are looking for a ranch with land space, this is the one for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-693-1111.